Audio Jungle.
Good morning, madam. And today, me and my group will present our selective topic of discussion today on based on our assessment tree, which will be differentiation. And our group name is Triple A. And next slide. So the members consist of, I say, Adib, our editor and also information finder, Aquinas, who I say who help us in chiming in information, and also me who also helping to go edit the video for this presentation. All right, I shall cue in the introduction to Aquinas.
Okay, so this is the introduction uh, for the integration differentiation, and so what is differentiation? So differentiation in mathematics process of finding the derivative or rate of change of a function. In contrast to the abstract nature of the theory behind it, the practical technique of differentiation can be carried out by purely algebraic manipulation using three basic derivatives, four rules of operation, and a knowledge of how to manipulate function. And differentiation is also allow us to find the rate of change. For example, it allows us to find the rate of change of velocity with respect to time, which is acceleration. It is also allow us to find the rate of change of x with respect to y, which on a graph of y, again x is the gradient of the curve. And so I give it to Adib for the next slide.
Okay, for problem statement. A water tank with 80 cm radius was broke. The water leaked out from the tank at the rate of negative 50,272 cm³ per second. How fast is the decreasing in the height of the water in the water tank? For the problem solving, first we need to analyze the question and bring out any information that we get. First, in the first sentence, we get a cylindrical water tank. A cylindrical will mean we have the first information, which is the formula. The volume of cylinder is pi r square h, which is pi time radius square time height, which we will differentiate it, and it will be pi r square. Next, we have 80 cm radius, which means it is r. In the next sentence, we have negative 50,272 cm³ per second. Maybe they are asking why it's negative, because water leak. Anything leak, decrease, or it getting lesser than the original, it is negative. So this is the rate. We can know that it is dv over dt because we have the cm³, which means volume, and second, which means time. So it will be dv dt equal to negative 50,272 cm³ per second. Now the question wants to ask, how fast is the decreasing in height of the water in the water tank? We can see here, fast is mean time, and height, which is dh. Now we can know is dh over dt is what we are asked to find. Now, how to solve this? First, you need to use this tree to make a chain rule, like this. We can see that at the right hand side, dh over dh cancelling each other, and we can get dv over dt. Next, we just need to substitute all information that we get for the chain rule. dv over dt, we substitute with negative 50,272 centimeter cube per second, and dv over dh we substitute with a differentiation with pi r squared. Next, the r with radius we substitute with 80 centimeter. Then we kejap bagi saya bagi
Divide.
okay. Ikat. Then we divide both sides with 80 centimeter pi 80 centimeter square. Then we can get dH over dt, or rate of high water decreasing, is negative 2.5 centimeter per second. But it's better for us to write the final answer in right hand side. So hope you understand my explanation.
In conclusion, with differentiation, an equation is an explicit form when one variable is directly equal to an expression made up of the other variable. Through differentiation, an equation also is an implicit form when neither variable is isolated on one side of the equal sign. And find the derivative of a relation differentiating each side of its equation implicitly and solving for the derivative as an unknown. Thank you, madam, for listening to for our presentation, and also here are the references. Could you here are the references that we use, and that will be all. Thank you, madam, once again for listening. Yeah.